Hey folks, so you may have guessed what's going on with that opening intro clip, but just in case you didn't, in this little mini-series it's going to be me working as the hands for an AI as it tries to make a video game. So a little background as to just why I'm doing this. AI is everywhere now, and I know a lot of people are worried about what it's going to be able to do, who it's going to put out of work, and all those sort of things. Like, there's even a whole group of developers, and I use that term loosely, that are calling themselves vibe coders, who use AI to write all of their code. Well, I'm not too confident that AI is going to be replacing developers anytime soon, so I decided to give it a try. I'm going to be following all the directions the AI gives me, and I'll be using assets that I already have simply because I'm not a modeler. Well, right off the bat, the AI isn't too smart. It's telling me to make a brand new character. I have to point out that the template already has one. Then, I need to point out that this version of the engine is using enhanced movement component. Things aren't off to a good start. Well, with that out of the way, it looks like things are okay with the code, so let's get that added. So I'm going to quickly get the project set up based on its direction. Third-party template, starter content. It's saying ray tracing enable. It still doesn't fully understand we're using 5.2. We'll add the two shooting related functions to the character header and then the source file, including the placeholder comment. After that, let's get the bindings in place. Okay, with that out of the way, what does the AI want us to do next? Weapon and shooting system. Okay, let's see how this plays out. Right, it wants a new class for the gun. Makes sense. Let's get that created. It wants it to derive from a actor. Easy enough. Next, let's add in all of the functions it created. This is going to be easy as I'm just going to copy and paste what it provided. Okay, now let's modify the player character as per its directions. Right, so we need to add in the gun-related variables to the header file. Next, we're going to need to create the begin play function. Now, as much as I should be asking the AI how it wants to do it, this is simple enough. I'm just going to add it in. I'm going to copy the portion that is actually needed for the begin play function, ignoring the few bits that we don't. Alright, next let's add in the start fire logic it's provided. This is super basic. Alright, so I'm going to end the episode off here. I want to keep these short. It's going to be a very limited series, and honestly, there's not a huge amount of content. It's nothing to learn from. But, as always, if you have any comments, questions, suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Keep an eye out for part 2 if it's not already out. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next episode.